Hi, I'm Dr. Joelle, and today we are going to make classic kimchi, which has all kinds of great health properties. It's high in probiotics, and it's great for your digestion. This is my mom's traditional recipe that she's tweaked throughout the years, and today we're going to share it with you. So the first step, there's basically 3 steps. The first step is taking your Napa cabbage. You are going to cut it into bite-sized pieces like this. Then you're going to put it in a straining basket and you're going to sprinkle it with a 1/4 cup of coarse salt. That is going to sit for a couple of hours to overnight, and then you're going to move on to step 2. Step 2 is basically making the sauce. So we are going to take our ginger, we're going to take apple for natural sweetness, and then we're going to take our garlic. We're going to throw in some natural pepper from Grandpa's garden. We've got onions, and then we've got a little bit of fish sauce, as well as chili peppers powder, and then a little bit of water to help it all blend well. We're going to simply blend it up. Once you finish the blending, you're going to move to step 3, where you're going to simply put the cabbage in a bowl. You're going to add the sauce, and you're going to add the carrots. And then you are going to add some scallions, and this makes it beautiful in color. And then you're going to mix it all together. And then you are going to put it in a glass jar. And you're going to pack it in. And then let it sit on the counter for 24 hours. And you're gonna start to see the liquid create a little bit of bubbles, and that tells you that the fermentation process is taking place. And then you will simply put it in the refrigerator, and your kimchi is ready and delicious to enjoy.